Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to explode your LinkedIn network in 2025 without wasting time, you are in the right place. Stick around because I'm showing you the best method you need right now. More connections mean more opportunities, whether it's jobs, collaborations, or new clients. But here's the thing, spamming connection requests doesn't work anymore. I will show you what actually works in 2025. Alright, here's the simple 3-step strategy that's killing it this year. Step 1, optimize your profile first. Before connecting with anyone, make sure your profile looks professional. Add a great portfolio photo, a headline that says who you help, and a short, powerful about section. Remember, if your profile feels empty or confusing, people won't accept your request. Step 2, engage before you connect. Instead of sending cold invites, comment on their posts first. Like something they have shared, leave a genuine, thoughtful comment. People notice when you add value. This makes them way more likely to accept your request later. Step 3. Personalize your connection request. Always send a short message with your invite. Example, hi, my name is, and tell your name. I really liked your post about the name of the topic. I'd love to connect and keep learning from you. It's personal, friendly, and professional, and it stands out. Quick bonus step, post once or twice a week yourself. Even short updates about what you are learning, events you attended, or industry news. This gives people a reason to engage with you too. And that is it. Profile, engage, personalize. Simple but powerful. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe for more quick tips, and drop a comment if you want me to make a full LinkedIn growth series. And that's all for this video, and see you in a new one.